In this lesson, we'll learn how to use the Insight software in simulation mode. First, click this icon to open the emulator. Then, click Connect it and then click Connect. At this point, we can check the network settings. The default IP address will appear here, along with the corresponding port number. Click OK, and then Set Image. There are several parameters that can be adjusted here, but we won't go into too much detail for now. Next, we click Locate Part, and then click Pattern. A green frame will appear. After clicking it, we can adjust its size. This large frame is the entire search area, and the smaller one inside is the mode that we want to focus on and train. Resize it accordingly, and then click OK. Here, we can rename the tool. For example, rename it to Water Test. There are a few settings and parameters we can adjust, but for now, we'll keep the default values. Next, click Inspect Part. What we want to detect is whether there is liquid inside the water bottle. For example, this image clearly shows no liquid inside, indicating an incorrect state. Click on the Contrast tool. Drag the frame over the bottle area and adjust its width and height. We are focusing on the contrast between black and white to determine if there's liquid. Then click OK. We can see the tool name is now Contrast 1. Let's remove the hairpin and keep the range limit at its default value. Now click Save Job, then click Save again. After saving, we run the job. Now we can see that the bottle has water inside. The contrast value is 229.683. Let's look at another image. This bottle has no water, so the contrast value is 0, and the result is marked with an X. Looking at other images, although they constrain water, the contrast values seem off. We can fix this by adjusting the size of the contrast box. For instance, we can adjust the size of the box, which is too long. Let's shorten it. And try it again. Now, observe the contrast values of different images, it looks correct. Only the image without liquid, it gets an X. Then, how do we transmit these results? We use a tool called the Network Debug Assistant. First, we test the communication. In this case, the emulator acts as the server, and the debug assistant acts as the client. Select TCP client, then click Create. The emulator IP address and port will be filled in automatically. Click OK. Then click Connect. We can now see messages from the emulator. It's asking us to log in. Enter admin and press Enter. Then click Send Data. The screen says Field. Why? Because we haven't gone online yet. Click Go Online and try again. Enter admin, press Enter. Then, click Send Data. Now, the screen shows password, prompting us to enter a password. Just press Enter again, since no password is set, and click Send Data. We can see that what the camera sent is user logged in, which means we have successfully logged into the emulator. Next, type GB water fixture X. Remember to press Enter and click Send Data. The returned value is -1. Now, let's select a normal image where X and Y coordinates exist. Enter the command again. Press Enter and click Send Data. The returned value is still -1. Let's set it to offline and enter SO1. Press Enter and click Send Data. Still a negative number. We just have a small hiccup. Sometimes the communication is unstable. Just now, when we entered GB water fixture X, we can see that the returned data was 334.594. If we want to find the Y coordinate, replace X with Y. Press Enter and click Send Data. The Y coordinate is 311.A52, which closely matches the displayed value. This concludes our demonstration of data communication between the Cognex camera and the network debug assistant in simulation mode. That's all for this lesson. Goodbye, everyone.